Hey YouTubers, I'd like to announce our new channel membership, the #1 Fix-It fan. Hopefully that'll be you. By joining, you're gonna get some really good perks. #1, you're gonna get live help whenever you need it on your appliance problems, either by text, email, FaceTime, Zoom, whatever you want to get your appliance problem resolved. I'll be here for you. I'm now retired after 35 years of service as an appliance tech, and I have a lot of time where I like to help people. So I want to dedicate that time to my awesome channel members and subscribers. So by signing up, you'll get that live help. A lot of us have around 5 different appliances in our home, and they break down now and then. My goal is to save you money by getting some live help from me. Also, I'll be able to get you any kind of parts diagrams that you need. I'll get you really good deals on parts. I'll send links to you so you can order them and get them probably by the next day to fix your appliance. Also get some cool emojis for when you do comments on the channel, animated emojis, and loyalty badges for being a loyal member of the channel. And all this is only for $4.99. So that'll save you quite a bit of money. Usually it costs about maybe $120 to have an appliance tech come out and just diagnose what the problem is. I'll be able to do that for you. You can contact me at any time and I'll get back to you within probably a couple of hours, and we'll get this problem resolved for you really quickly. I'll also be able to get you service manuals, which are great. They give you really detailed information on how to fix different appliances in your home. And again, the whole goal of becoming a member with me is that it's going to give you a chance to save a lot of money on the types of appliance repairs that we all run into on a yearly basis. So thanks so much, and please click on the link in the description below, and that's going to allow you to join our channel today, and I'll be able to get with you even today and start working on resolving your appliance problem. So thanks again.